E.G. Scary here, unboxing. So, let's see what we got here today. Oh. Well, we have one. We'll do this in a different video. And we have two. So, this one is called the Blurp Charlie mask. B-L-U-R-P. I think they meant Burp Charlie, but they spelled it Blurp Charlie. So it's folded, and the folding has actually pushed in the nose and really messed this mask up pretty bad. I'll try this one on, but I'm not taking the tag off because I'm going to send this one back because I don't see how it's going to be usable with the amount of folds in it, and I don't really care for the quality at all. It's sad. It's a good idea. The other thing is I'd have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure that when I bought this, I don't think this was a skeleton in the picture. I think that this was somebody's face coming out, but a lot of times on Amazon they screw it up, and nothing really, the pictures don't really match what you're getting. So these are the eye slits right here. And wow, the sun is really making its appearance now. So alright, let's give this one a test drive. Hello. Have you ever put a mask on and just been really disappointed with it? Well, that's probably not nice for me to say. But I don't like this mask at all. I don't know. In person I don't like it. On screen it doesn't look so bad. But it is highly unrealistic. Because of the way it's cut, you can't cut it into a shirt unless you were like to put it up to here, but then I can't see out of the eyes. These are the eye holes, in case you're wondering. But you can also, nope, same eye holes. Oh, I'm poking my eye. Ah, not. And then these big dopey, I don't know. Or you do like, or you be like, oh, I'm just a normal nice guy, how you doing?